Good afternoon, guys. Nick here with Kaizink, and we're over here at our press. Just wanted to show you one of the quick improvements that we had. So we just did a job where it required the left chest to be just over the pocket. So what I've done here is we have our laser, and I've lasered which will be the center of our graphic, as well as this is going to fall where the center of the pocket is. So we've made this handy dandy little jig here. And so I've taken the laser line that up. So now all we need to do is just lay our jig on. We can take our laser, put it where we need it to, and that's always going to fall in the left chest center. So what we're going to do is we're going to load on a shirt, and we'll be right back. All right, and we're back. So as you can see, we have a garment on here with our left chest pocket, and we have our laser going right down the center of that pocket. Now we can utilize the additional laser as far as how far the customer would like it up from the pocket. Yeah, your graphic is always going to fall center of this of your pocket, as long as you're utilizing this center line, which also coincides with your artwork. So yeah, again, we're just going to use a second laser, line that to the bottom of your artwork, measure your distance between the bottom of your art and the top of your pocket, depending on what the customer is requiring. And then we can just go ahead and adjust that laser to the top of our pocket. So we know every time that we load our garment on, it's always going to be to the point, center point, and then this laser is going to fall to top of pocket. Graphic goes where it needs to. All right, thanks guys.